got one, we got one. We got one, we got one. Oh, he's a battler. Oh, big, fat shell crack. Yeah, oh. Grab the net. Man, what a... Oh, look at it bend that little rod. It's a monster. It's Godzilla. Godzilla. What do you think, huh? Purple rod. Purple rod. How's that song go? Purple rod. Purple rod's got one again. Oh, we got Mr. Purple. Respectable shell cracker. Oh, look at it bend that rod. Oh, that's a nice fish. Let's have a look at that. Got good color. Well, this purple rod's kicking the green rod's butt. What do you think, huh? The magic fish of the day. The purple rod. Whoops. Oh, he wanted to get caught twice. He was so nice, he wanted it twice. Bye-bye, you. Oh, that was a perfect dive. Man, it doesn't get any more perfect than that. Virtually no splash on entry. A half rotation into a perfect pike. Green rod. Catfish. Little catfish, little bullhead. You just never know what you're gonna get in this box of chocolates. Yuck.
Go. Ah!
Look, it wasn't easy, but I found something that stunk worse than my fishing video.